Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating account of using AI for coding, specifically focusing on a developer's experience with Cline and various large language models. It's a real-world example of how AI is transforming software development, and it's pretty exciting.
Absolutely. I'm eager to hear this. The article highlights a developer who revamped a SaaS platform's UI/UX using AI, right? What were the key tools and approaches used?
Precisely. The developer used Cline, a VS Code plugin, as their primary AI coding assistant. They worked with both Claude Sonnet 3.5 and Gemini, two leading LLMs. The project involved a Go backend and a frontend initially handled by Go's HTML/template package. A pretty standard setup, but the AI really changed the game.
So what was the biggest impact of using AI? Was it just faster coding or something more profound?
Oh, it was far more profound. The developer, who admittedly isn't a front-end expert, completely redesigned the landing page, the management interface, the whole shebang. They went from a basic design to something professional grade, all with the help of AI-generated code and design suggestions. It's a testament to how AI can bridge skill gaps.
That's incredible. Did the AI just generate code, or did it also help with the design process itself?
Both. The LLMs not only generated HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code, but also suggested frameworks like Font Awesome and Bootstrap, significantly improving both the aesthetics and functionality. It even helped generate compliance documents like privacy policies and terms of service. A huge time saver.
Wow. So what about the back end? Did the AI help there as well?
Yes, but with a crucial difference. The article emphasizes that while AI was helpful for repetitive tasks and code optimization, having strong domain knowledge in Go was essential for validating and integrating the AI's suggestions. The developer even used ChatGPT to write a function for calculating string similarity, but only after meticulously defining the requirements and providing a valid example. The AI generated a very similar function to what the developer had in mind, but the developer's expertise was crucial for ensuring correctness.
That's a really important point. It highlights that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human expertise. It's about augmenting skills, not replacing them, right?
Exactly. The article stresses this repeatedly. The developer even points out that, without a deep understanding of the underlying technology, accepting suboptimal AI suggestions becomes a real risk. Code review remained essential for quality assurance.
And what about the multilingual aspect? The article mentions supporting multiple Amazon affiliate regions, which sounds like a huge translation task.
It was. But the AI handled it beautifully. The developer used a single prompt to translate JSON files containing message templates for the Telegram bot, specifying the target language based on the file name. The AI correctly translated the text while preserving markdown formatting, variables, emojis, and line breaks. It even skipped files that were already translated. Incredibly efficient.
That's amazing. So what were some of the challenges encountered during this AI-assisted development journey?
Well, context window limitations with Claude Sonnet 3.5 required careful task segmentation. There was also a trade-off between the speed of Sonnet and the larger context window of Gemini. Ultimately, the developer found that models optimized for development tasks, like Claude Sonnet 3.5, provided more focused and efficient assistance.
So in conclusion, this article paints a very positive picture of AI's role in modern software development, but with the important caveat that human expertise remains crucial for validation and quality assurance. It's about leveraging AI to amplify human capabilities, not replace them.
Precisely. AI is a powerful tool for accelerating development, improving designs, and streamlining workflows, especially in areas outside one's core expertise. But it's a tool that needs a skilled hand to guide it. And that's a wrap for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time.
Bye-bye.